Why did I answer?
This will be fun.
No.
Who designed the national flag of India? Did she cheat? WTF is the answer. Another IP with the name WTF. Isn't that exciting? It's a very simple IP, simple game. We're basically going to just play a quiz, and whoever wins basically gets these nothing headphones.
Nothing headphones. Nothing headphones.
Are you guys ready? Question number 1. In the movie Chak De India, the Indian women's national hockey team defeated which team in the finals?
Australia.
Rachna wins. Who does Kajol mistakenly believe Shah Rukh Khan is when she first meets him in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum?
Aman. No. I saw me.
Yes!
हमारे दुकान ढूंढना चाहते हो?
सर शर्म करो, तुम मीडिया कंपनी में हो, फाइनेंस में है. What year did Facebook launch?
2004. 2000.
This will be fun. Who designed the national flag of India? Disgusting. You guys, disgusting. Embarrassing. Which river flows through Paris?
Seine.
Yes! In football, which team is known as the Red Devils?
Manchester United.
There we go. What is the largest organ in the human body?
The brain.
The nervous system.
No. It's the muscle. That's the bone. Intestine. Brain.
I will tell you when the answer is right.
Heart. Intestine.
Yes! Yes, answer is skin. Did she cheat? Did Mrinal cheat? Come back. What do you call a group of crows?
Murder.
There we go.
Why did I answer?
In what year was the first iPhone released?
How old, sir?
2008.
7, sir.
Right answer. In Friends, what fake name does Phoebe often use making phone calls?
Regina Phalange.
There we go. Which global TV show featured contestants in red jumpsuits and masks playing childhood games?
Squid Game.
Kavya. Which ancient university in India attracted students from as far as China and Greece?
Lalita.
There we go. Thank you. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of you show your faces to the internet. Who was the last viceroy of British India?
Mountbatten.
Likhit, one answer. Which city hosted the first modern Olympic Games?
Beijing.
Athens.
There we go. Tanmay one. Real life couple Kareena Kapoor and Saif Ali Khan were the lead voice actors for which animated
Qurban.
Indian film?
Romeo and Juliet.
Who said it? There we go. Another finance girl. Which Indian filmmaker is the mother to the latest internet sensation American politician Zohran Mamdani?
Meena Nair.
There we go. What does the acronym GIF stand for?
Graphics
Graphic in process.
सोचा था जोर के बोलूंगा तो राइट हो जाएगा.
interface. Graphic.
हाँ ग्राफिक पता है.
Graphic interface frame. Graphic interface. That's it.
What was Google's original name before rebranding?
Backdrop.
There we go.
Ew.
Backdrop.
The Ice Bucket Challenge in 2014 raised awareness for which cause?
LS.
Likhit, he gets selected. Which Indian state shares its border with only one other Indian state?
Kashmir.
No. Tamil Nadu.
Kerala.
Yeah, South India just name everything.
Goa has Karnataka, Maharashtra and Kutch.
It'll be the northeast one.
I will tell you if it is Tamil Nadu. It is not.
It's not Tamil Nadu.
Arunachal.
I'll give you a hint. It is in the northeast.
Himachal.
Yeah, it's in the northeast.
Sikkim.
Sikkim.
Who said Sikkim? There we go, 1. What is the capital city of Scotland?
Edinburgh.
Glasgow. Edinburgh.
There we go. Which country has the most time zones?
Russia.
US. France. France.
What is the only mammal that can fly?
Bats.
There we go. Let's go. Mumbai is made up of how many islands originally?
7.
Rachna has made it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please look yourselves in the camera.
I also said 7.
Who was the first Indian cricketer to score a double century in ODIs?
Gavaskar.
Who was the first
Sachin
Indian
Tendulkar.
cricketer to?
Bro, that was.
Yes.
Come on.
Which Formula One driver holds the record for the most career wins as of 2025?
Lewis Hamilton.
career wins is Michael Schumacher.
मेरे को क्या गलत बोल रहा है? मेरे पास आंसर है. In Sacred Games, what is the name of Saif Ali Khan's character?
Sartaj.
There we go. In the movie Three Idiots, on which date does Chatur challenge
5th
Rancho?
September.
ये काम कब करती है? Which meme cryptocurrency did Elon Musk?
Dogecoin.
She has made it. Who did Will Smith slap at the Oscars?
Kid Rock. No, sorry. Chris Rock.
Chris Rock. In tennis, what's the term for a score of 0?
Love.
Love. There we go. How many syllables are in the word accident?
3.
There we go.
Oh my god.
Which planet spins in the opposite direction
Jupiter.
to most others in our solar system?
Uranus.
Neptune.
Venus.
Venus. What popular video game character eats mushrooms to grow bigger?
Mario.
There we go.
Really, is it? So I'm
Winner gets nothing.
I guess nothing.
Which dystopian novel coined the term Big Brother
1984.
by?
George Orwell.
There we go. Who wrote the line where the mind is without fear and the head is held high?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Yes! What is the only flag in the world that doesn't have 4 sides?
Nepal.
There we go. Damn. What's the only sport to have been played on the moon?
Golf. Yes! Can't believe this. Actually guessed. Love it.
Tanmay is one answer away from winning. Who was the ancient Greek god of the sun?
Zeus. Apollo.
Can we just check if my question was right and answer was right? There we go. Congratulations. Give it back to Shravya. No, we need it for the shoot. Chal, wapas de.